additive identity. Now, what does additive identity means? Let's put it in some numbers. So if I have a number, let's say if I have a number -6, I add some number, and I get the result as -6. Let's take another. If I have +3 and I add some number here and I get answer +3. So what should I add here? It is obvious that the number is not changing. So if I take a number like now, where I am right now, in first example, I am at -6. I am at -6, and where I have to reach? I have to reach to -6. So I am at -6 and I have to reach to -6. So how many places I have to travel? 0 places. I don't have to travel anywhere because I am already at -6. So what I have to add? I have to add a 0. Then I will be at -6. Now let's say, now in the second example, I am at +3. I am at +3. And where I have to reach? I have to reach +3. So how many places I have to move? I don't have to move. I have to stay there. So I have to move 0 places. So from this, we know that our additive identity is 0. So when we add 0 to any of the integers, the answer is that integer itself. Let's update our chart. So additive identity for us is going to be 0. 0 is the additive identity. So I'll write it here as 0. Okay. Additive inverse is a number. So if I have one integer and I add its additive inverse into that integer, I should get answer 0. That's what is additive inverse. So let's say I have the number as -4, then I should add some number into it, some number, so that I get a 0. Or same way, we'll take one positive integer also. So I have +3. I should add some integer into that so that I get answer as 0. So again, we'll follow the number line. It's an easy tool to understand this. So in first case, we said that I am at -4, I am at -4. I want to add some number into it so that I get 0. So where is 0? 0 is here on the line. So I have to reach from -4 to 0. So let's go. So I go from here to here, one place, one more, one more, one more. So how many places I have traveled? I have traveled 4 places. I have traveled 4 places. And which side I have traveled? I have traveled to right. And right means plus. We know right means plus. So I have added +4 into my number to get 0. Now let's take the second situation. Okay, in second situation, I am at +3. I am at +3 and I have to reach 0. So let me start 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So I am going 3 places. I am going 3 places. And which side did I travel? I traveled to left. Left is negative. So I traveled 3 places to the left, which means the number is -3. So I have added -3 to my integer to get 0. Now let's observe here. In first case, our number was -4. Additive inverse, we got +4. So which means 4 remained as it is. 4 remained as it is. So our number was -4 and in our answer also there is 4. So the weight of our integer is same. And what has changed? What has changed is the sign. Even in this case, my number integer is +3. So its weight is 3. So it remained same. The weight remained same. But what changed? What changed was the sign. It was plus here. In my answer, it changed to minus. So we can very well say that in additive, to find additive inverse of a number, the weight should remain same. Weight should be same, and sign will be opposite. It changes, so it is opposite.